Alright guys, welcome back. Another test ride. This time we're on a vitpilen 2020 model. As you know, I rode the Smartpilen or the Svartpilen a little while ago. So this is the cafe racer style of the Husqvarnas. Pretty cool little bike. Obviously it's got the quick shifter up and down. A little more leant over than the Svartpilen. This one's a little more sort of on your wrist, but yeah, fairly comfortable still. Doesn't feel too crazy. We've got a guy with us this time as well. Yeah, it's good. Really good, really fun little bike actually. This one actually feels a little more racery, and actually the handling feels better on this model than it does the more upright version that, as you can see, the test rider's on. Really small feeling bike though, like it's really skinny. Love these little bikes, such good power, such good value here in Australia. Only about seven and a half grand I think they are. So great value. Yeah, I think after a long ride this one would get a little bit more painful on your wrists, but yeah, it's not too bad. Quick shifter down is pretty good. Not as good as up, but really good fun, these little bikes. Love the quick shifter on this, such good value. I mean, a bike, it's got ABS, it's got fuel gauge, it's got a quick shifter up and down, all for 7.5 grand. You know, it's pretty amazing value. Yeah, this one, if you're into your sort of canyon riding and you know, in the mountains, this one feels miles better than the upright one. Really nice. But yeah, it feels exactly the same as the more upright one, but yeah, the handling on this one feels so much better. Really smooth. Quick shift is a little clunky, low down in the revs and slower speeds. It's it's not as smooth. Once you get up higher, it's a bit smoother, but yeah, oh, handles really well. Really fun though. I love these little bikes. I really want one actually, even just for a, you know, just a fun weekend bike. I think this can't go wrong. Such a fun little bike. And having that quick shifter just makes it so much better, so much easier. And I do like the silver in this, the paint scheme in this one over the more upright one. Oh yeah, wow, handles great, feels fantastic, holds the lines really well. What a great little bike, guys. Such a good little bike, highly recommend. This is probably my #1 recommendation for guys on their learner license, just full stop. This is just such a fun bike. Guys, if you are in the market for a learner bike, go and buy one of these. Needs an exhaust, but if you had an exhaust on these, it'd be fantastic. Yeah, sometimes it's a little clunky, that quick shifter, but nonetheless it works well. Mirrors are not too bad. You'd probably put some bar end mirrors on there, but they're not too bad. Yeah, it feels very similar to the vitpilen, guys, but yeah, just the handling feels 10 times better on this bike with the clip-ons. It feels like it wants to dive into the corners just a lot easier. Oh yeah. Great little bike. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.